Welcome to the web application vulnerability scanning phase of penetration testing. In this phase, I will demonstrate the vulnerability scanning of web applications using Wasp Zap. This tool can be used in two different modes. The first one is use this tool as an intercepting proxy similar to the Websuit, and the second one is simply put the IP address and the URL in this box and start the attacking. In this video lesson, I am going to attack web applications using this URL box. Just simply type the URL and start the attack. In first, it will simply spider all the links that you have provided as an URL and gather all the URLs related to the target. After the spider has been completed, it will start active scanning to find the vulnerabilities in the web applications if there is any presence. If you want, you can manually select and start active scanning in this way. Active scan has been started. Let's see how many vulnerabilities it have found for us. As you can see, there is a cross-site scripting reflected, and the SQL injection on the database of MySQL has been found as a vulnerability. Critical vulnerability has been marked in red flags. This leads to the serious vulnerability and the compromise of the web applications and the web servers. So let's analyze the results and the vulnerability that has been gathered and found by using this scanning. Simply right click, open URL in browser. As you can see, there is a pop-up has been appeared as in proof of cross-site scripting vulnerability in this URL. The second vulnerability that has been found in the web application is the SQL injection, and the third one is also the SQL injection. The third step that you can use and attack the web applications is simply right-click any URLs, go to attack, and start fuzzing all the input parameters. In this way, it will perform the injection of scripts that you choose to attack by providing the input parameter. So in this way, I am going to attack this parameter. Simply start and add the script in this way. Suppose I am going to find the injection vulnerabilities like similar to SQL injection and all the like XML and the LDAP injection. So in this way, we can just select the SQL all the injection parameters, and it will find if there is any SQL injection or any injection vulnerabilities that has been present here. Click OK and start further. This will actively scan and find if there is any vulnerability present on that link provided by me. All the scan performed by this tool is the by default policy that the Zap use. If you want, you can create your own policy according to your needs. Simply go to Analyze, Scan Policy, Add, type the name, change the parameters, and click OK. All the thresholds and the strength has been changed to medium and high. All the settings has been affected in all this tab. Click OK, and there is a scan policy has been created. Close. Now if you want, you can start your attack with your own policy. Simply go to the IP address, attack, active scan, select the policy, start scan. It will attack and actively scan according to your choice and according to your needs that you have saved in the policy. In this way, we can find and gather and scan the web applications to find the vulnerabilities. This is simply a straightforward tool that we can use. This is freely available and by default is stored in the Kali Linux box. You can use this tool to find the vulnerability on the web applications.